All right, guys, I want to do a cold start video for you guys. As you can see, pipes are ice cold, motor's cold. Touch, both sides. Okay, let's do a cold start. Come right here, Chris. Idiot. Choke on. Fired right up, no smoke, sounds good. It does have the Z Technique titanium exhaust on it. Not sure if you guys saw that in the pictures or the other video. It's a nice exhaust system, sounds good. Just a nice bike. No drips, no oil leaks. Like I said, runs good, rides good, sounds good. Let it warm up to operating temperature, then I'll shut it back off and put it up. I just wanted to see, let you guys see it, the cold start video. It hasn't been ridden since probably maybe 3-4 days ago or so. So bid all you can. It's a nice bike. You'll really enjoy it. Low mileage, and it's a lot of bike for the money. Good luck bidding, guys.